How does data ownership affect autonomous vehicle IP? Have you ever wondered how data ownership impacts the world of autonomous vehicles? This question is more important than ever as technology advances. Let's break it down. Autonomous vehicles generate a massive amount of data. This data comes from sensors, cameras, and other systems on board the vehicle. It is crucial for training artificial intelligence and machine learning models that help these vehicles navigate and make decisions. However, the ownership of this data is not straightforward. Unlike traditional intellectual property, raw data cannot be owned in the same way. Instead, ownership refers to rights over access, use, and control of that data. This creates a complex situation for companies involved in developing autonomous vehicles. When automakers and technology developers collaborate, they often use data from various sources. This data can come from third-party providers, making it difficult to determine who owns what. Since artificial intelligence models cannot be copyrighted due to the requirement of human authorship, the ownership of the data used to train these models becomes critical. In the realm of patent law, protecting innovations in autonomous vehicles often revolves around new methods of processing data. For example, if a software system processes sensor data to make real-time driving decisions, it may qualify for a patent if it shows technical innovation. However, if the ownership of the underlying data is unclear, enforcing patents or claiming exclusive rights can be challenging. Trade secrets also play a significant role in protecting intellectual property for autonomous vehicles. Companies may treat their data and algorithms as confidential information to keep competitors at bay. Yet, this protection relies on the ability to exclude others from accessing that data, which circles back to the issue of data ownership. Practically speaking, the uncertainty surrounding data ownership means that companies must negotiate data rights carefully. Establishing clear policies about who controls the data generated by vehicles and their artificial intelligence systems is essential. This clarity helps secure intellectual property rights and manage collaborations effectively. In summary, data ownership significantly influences intellectual property for autonomous vehicles. It shapes who controls the data that drives artificial intelligence development, impacts patentability of innovations, and enables trade secret protection. As legal frameworks and industry practices evolve, the management of intellectual property in autonomous vehicle technology will continue to be a vital topic.